The practical guidelines for implementing a data mesh course really tries to deal with the difficulties companies are having in trying to accelerate their ability to deliver value for the enterprise while at the same time dealing with more and more data sources and an increasingly complex data landscape. So the class will talk about the strengths and weaknesses of centralized data architectures. It'll look at the problems that are caused by existing analytical systems and what a data mesh is and how it differs from things like lake houses and data lakes and what the benefits of a data mesh is. What does that offer? Also, what are the implementation options? Because you can implement a data mesh in a number of ways, and we'll look at each of those and the implications. How would you organize and to be able to create data products in a decentralized environment without creating chaos? And we'll talk about data products, which is central to the whole aspect of data mesh and methodologies to be able to build that. We'll also look at the critical importance of certain technologies like data catalogs and business glossaries to help discover what data you have available across your existing data estate and to be able to define business terms or all business data names for the data products that you want to produce. We'll also look at um, software to create those data products and to govern them. So that will mean looking at data fabric software and the vendors in that market, which is changing pretty rapidly. We'll also look at the way in which you can build data products handling different kinds of data. So that would include unstructured data, semi-structured data, and structured data, and how you can deal with that within your pipelines, how to make your pipelines more resilient by handling things like schema changes that can happen on the fly, and how we can implement data observability during pipeline development, and how we can support collaborative development with CI/CD for data ops support to be able to build pipelines rapidly and in a modular fashion. And we'll be able to look at publishing data products in a data marketplace and how that functions, and also how to govern everything, both in the governing of data while you're producing the data products and governing the data products and the sharing of data products themselves, including taking into account protecting sensitive data uh, around the enterprise, and also how you can consume data products into other analytical use cases. So how you can assemble a data warehouse from data products, how you can use data products and publish master data products within an MDM system, and also how you can use data products within data science and bring it all together without necessarily creating lots of copies of the same data so that you can integrate those workloads in as short a time as possible.